you've heard us talk about the fact that kalo is important. But the reason why has to do with Moʻolelo that's been passed down from what Hawaiians consider to be time immemorial, and that's the Moʻolelo of Hāloa. And so long ago there was Wakia, who is Sky Father, and Ho'ohokukalani, who is another deity. Together they had a union, and so Ho'ohokukalani became pregnant with a child. Unfortunately, when she went to go give birth to this child, it was stillborn. And so what they did was that they canoed or buried this child into the ground, and out of this child came this plant. And they had named this child Hāloa Nakalo Kapalili, which means the long breath or the everlasting breath with leaves that quiver in the wind. And so if you look at this plant, this kalo plant that came out of their child, the low or the leaves do exactly that, right? Anytime even the gentlest of wind comes through, the leaves quiver like this, right? Kapalili. So after that, Wakia and Ho'ohokukalani had another union. She became pregnant again, and out of this one came a healthy baby boy, and so we called him Hāloa after his older brother, Hāloa Nakalo Kapalili. And so in the Hawaiian way of thinking, Hāloa is our older brother, or our kaikuaʻana, which means that we need to take care of kalo in the way that kalo takes care of us as a staple food of a traditional diet. And so out of Hāloa, the boy or the man, came all of the rest of the Hawaiian nation. So he's thought of as the first Hawaiian man. And so in that way, we are accountable to kalo and to take care of kalo like it has for us for many generations.